Hello everyone, welcome to the Traders Hub. Today we are going to discuss about my profit and losses in January first week. So today it is going to be a very interesting video. So we are going to talk about my profit and losses in the January first week. That is mean by January 2024 from Monday 1 onwards, first onwards till Friday. That means 5th January. So it comes under to first week. So we are going to talk about my profits in the first week of the January 2024. So before starting this video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel. So the channel name is the Traders Hub. So you can see 353 subscribers so far. I uploaded 12 videos so far, and here you can see my one of the photo as well, profits in 2023. So we received good profits in the stock market. I found some of the good strategy to identify the trending stocks and making the profits from those stocks. So, and you can also check out more videos also. This is yesterday I updated my detailed analysis on the Electra Green Tech. Fundamentally it's a good stock, and Alok Industries as well, so you can go through that. And recently I uploaded 2 days before, I uploaded HFCL stock, my opinion on my HFCL stock as well. If you wanted to invest in those stocks, I request you to please go through that video and watch the complete video, so that you will get some good analysis on that. And I uploaded one of the shorts as well, so you can go through that shorts. So without wasting our time, let us look at my profits and losses for this week of the January 2024 first onwards, from 1st to 5th. So I opened the Zerodha account. I'm using the Zerodha account. Here you can see the reports. So in the reports, I'm selecting the range that is almost from the 30 or 31, whatever it may be. So I'm going to select the 30. December 2023 to January 6th. This is I'm doing this video on the Saturday, that is 6th of the January. So I'm clicking on the Saturday, and let us click on go. Yeah, this is my profits and losses of this week. Here you can see I earned around like in the January 1st I earned 2345 rupees, later 1731 rupees, and I lost around like I took unwanted trade here actually, so I lost around like 1665 rupees. Later I realized that this is not a good stock to invest. So anyhow, at that moment the stock got negative side, bearish side. So without wasting my time, because 1000 2000 I can bear that amount, if I can, I can take that losses as well. So later I on the January 5th, that means yesterday, so I booked profits around 20,028 rupees. So here you can see, so if you calculate these all the my profits, it could come around like a 22,439 rupees after removing all the losses and all. So this is what my journey for this week. So I earned around like 22,439 rupees. Yes, last time as we discussed, I holding few of the other stocks as well. I mean that is in negative side as of now, but I have very confident on that stocks. It will go definitely bullish side. So it will take some time, but definitely. So fundamentally also it's a good stocks. So this is what, and this is my realized profit and loss statements for the January first week. So overall I earned around like 22,439 rupees without taking any stress. So I have very confident. So I'll keep on uploading these kind of videos on every week or every month as well. So my request for you from your side is definitely please share and subscribe my channel, and also please comment whatever your stocks are taken already, if it is a negative side or positive side. If you are looking for the targets or like what is the stop loss, you can definitely comment to my video. So I'll try to analyze the stocks and I'll upload the videos as well. So this is my journey for this week. For the conclusion of this call is, recently I exited most of my stocks. I'm going to enter next trading day, that may around like a Monday, I'm going to enter into a few more stocks as well. That is a fundamentally good stocks, and also technically it's a very bullish side. Definitely I'll take those stocks, and let us wait for a couple of time to see the good returns in those stocks as well. This is about this video. I hope you liked this video. I request you to please subscribe to my channel. This is my channel name is The Trader Shop. You can see that 353 subscribers and 12 videos. So this is what from my side. Thank you everyone.